If you could be teleported to the beginning of the universe and witness the Big Bang, what would you actually see? Surprisingly, not that much. You wouldn't see stars, you wouldn't see particles, you wouldn't even be able to see light. So what would you experience? Let's find out. The Big Bang happened about 13.5 billion years ago, and it wasn't an explosion in space, it was the sudden expansion of space itself. Everything that exists today, every galaxy, every atom, every single fish, was once compressed into a region so small our laws of physics can't fully describe it and they begin to break down. So without some sort of sci-fi protection, you'd be destroyed instantly. The heat and density of everything is so extreme that you wouldn't even survive for a fraction of a nanosecond. So imagine you've got some sort of sci-fi protective bubble that can slow down time, that can make you grow or shrink, and you can finally watch the universe begin. Surprisingly, you wouldn't see some sort of cosmic fireworks display. The early universe is an opaque, blinding fog of energy, meaning you can't see through it, glowing evenly in every single direction. You can't tell the difference between up, down, left, right. The universe is homogeneous and homologous. And in fact, there's so much energy that particles can't even exist yet. If you're enjoying this video so far, consider subscribing. Now, after a billionth of a billionth of a billionth of a billionth of a second, the universe inflates at an unimaginable speed. Space stretches faster than light itself. And tiny quantum ripples, imperfections smaller than atoms, are stretched across the cosmos, and these imperfections would one day result in the stars and galaxies that we see today. Now, 1 microsecond, a millionth of a second later, quarks can finally bind together, forming protons and neutrons. Matter and antimatter appear. When matter and antimatter combine, they annihilate. Except for every billion collisions, 1 extra particle of matter somehow survives. And that tiny imbalance is why we have anything at all. Now, after a few minutes, the universe expands and cools enough for protons and neutrons to fuse into hydrogen and helium nuclei. And then, nothing. Nothing happens for a very long time. 380,000 years go by. Almost twice the amount of time that humans have existed on Earth. After this period of time, the universe has expanded and cooled to about 3,000 degrees Celsius. It's at this point electrons can finally lock onto nuclei, forming the very first atoms. And, for the first time, light can travel freely. The universe becomes transparent. It's no longer opaque, releasing the cosmic microwave background radiation, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang that we can still see today. Millions of years pass by before gravity can do its work, pulling matter close enough together for stars to ignite and galaxies to form. The universe can finally light up, and you could see the very first light show of the universe. So if you witnessed the Big Bang, you wouldn't see an explosion, you'd see darkness, heat, and time itself slowly give rise to everything that you've ever known. And there's so much more to the Big Bang that we don't know. There was no before the Big Bang. How can that be? If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, you might enjoy some of the other ones I've made. And if you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe.